So they will appear. How they will appear? Phi of dd dash comma z is equal to f of x y. Okay. Solution is what? Z is equal to CF plus PI. To find CF, you can put d is equal to m, d dash is equal to 1, you get auxiliary equation. Once if you get the difference values, m is equal to m1, m2, m3, m4, m5 means what? How you will get CF? Phi 1 y plus m1x plus phi 2 y plus m2x, phi 3 m3x, so on dot dot. If it is repeat, non-repeated. Suppose if two m's are repeated, m1 is equal to m2 is equal to m, you can say how can you write? Phi 1 y plus mx plus x into phi 2 of y plus mx. 2 times this x into 3 times this what? Up to x square. Phi 1 of this fellow plus x into the same fellow plus x square into same fellow. 4 times this what? Phi 1 y plus m1x plus x into phi 2 of y plus mx plus x square. Phi 3 of y plus m2, then x cube into. So up to you can go like this. There is actually the ODE is what you can discuss. Complex roots, real roots, not like this. Whatever may be root, you can take as a root. If complex root means what you will take a plus or I plus or minus ib means what a plus ib is one root, a minus ib. That is m1 you can take. Y plus a plus ib into x you can write. Here no difference complex and real and like repeated only, repeated roots. Correct? Then when you will get PA, I said, suppose this is solution is always Z is equal to CM plus PA. When you will get PA, if this side if we have any function, you get PA. So PA, how can you write CX story over? How to find? Then f of x y is equal to phi of dd dash. Only operator you can write. Only operator you can write. Up to this clear. No doubt. Okay. Now can I will go for now one type we discuss. That's it. Now PA for ax plus by. PA for e to the power of ax plus by. Already ODE you done. PA for e plus done or not? So same story. Here what you will do? PA means how you will get actually e power. If we have any function you can think for PA. So that said, suppose e power 2x plus by means what? E power ax plus by by who will come denominator phi of dd dash. Only operator fellow you can write. You know d square plus dd dash plus d dash whole square, something you know that you can write. Now I have right side e power x plus by shape. Then how you will find PI? Put d is equal to here x relative is what d, y relative is what d dash. So x coefficient you can put in d, y coefficient you can put in d dash. So same relatives goes to same their homes actually, their relative homes. Correct? So put b is equal to a, b dash is equal to b, provided what? One condition you should tell. Phi dd dash. Correct? You are on track. Already you are substituting this after that, how you will read? How you will read? You are substituting d is equal to a, d dash will be, then phi of who will come? Till now, phi of not equal to 0. If 0 means what? Whole thing will collapse. Yes. That is to find CF, auxiliary equation. Once if you get the auxiliary, right hand side any function like this, I am talking about PA. For every problem you have to find auxiliary equation. You will get CF. Once if you get the CF, right hand side any function is what you have to get PA. This is PA one model. PA for e power x plus by. So PA also we will put actually x coefficient is in d. D is equal to a, d dash into phi of ab. provided denominator cannot be 0. If denominator 0 means 1 by 0 is equal to it's become what? Indifferentially cannot define. So if it is 0 means I will discuss this different case. I will tell you while doing the problem. That 0 also will come, but don't apply. This method don't go. This method up to when it is valid, phi of AB not equal to 0 means smoothly can go. Okay, phi of if put D is equal to A, D dash is equal to B, if what condition? After substituting, you will get anyway phi of A comma B. That should not be 0. Then you can take those smoothly. If it is 0 means what? That is different story. I will tell you. Don't worry. That is called case of fail. The case will fail. This case will fail means how to attack that I will tell you. Clear? Come on, not down. They are offline students. The exam is pen and paper mode only. So you have to come here at least exam time. When is the exam, sir? A batch exam they mentioned actually. A 11th. No. Starting date is what? Tell me. CT2, CT1 starting date. 15 means 15 you will have maths actually. Maths is in A slot. So first exam itself maths 8 to 9. That is maybe day order 1 I think so 15. Correct? So 8 to 8:50 you will have exam. In what mode? Pen and paper. No online. We cannot. I am also there. You are also there. We both. I will check like this. Open my eyes and I will see any 18 members. You know. Take breathe. Without my permission also, I will kill you. Okay. So carefully can write. Sir, listening what I am telling on offline, offline. These people are online. Online students, when you are coming, are you there? Better you can contact your class in charge. Correct? Then find out. Maybe whether they will give at the next exam or I don't know actually. I have no idea. Just they can ask. Okay? For you, okay, exam, only if you enroll means. Don't like, go for plan for second exam. Don't come is for class only. Correct? Online only those are not enrolled. Maybe they will, I don't know. The result is not my decision. They will decide. Top is there, top people. Come on, say above, we go past that. We have to syllabus complete at 15 minutes lot of only 3 classes in get. Today we have 4 classes. That is first standard non-linear PDMs, we have only 4 types only, no type 5 actually. Type 1 is Z of PQ is equal to 0. Second type is Lattice form. Third type is F of ZPQ. Fourth type is X comma P I can bring one side, Y comma Q I can bring one side. First type and fourth type there is no singular integral, only complete integral. Second integral, one problem is very important, plus Px plus 2y plus root of 1 plus t square plus 2 square. On this x square plus y square plus x square is equal to 1. Correct? And solving this x y z is equal to phi of x square plus y square plus x square. That was if maybe come in Lagrange's or removing the functions. Px into y square minus x square plus 2y into x square minus x square plus z into x square minus x square. Then you can do the answer means you have to go back. Then the question is you can come back. These all are important things. Correct? Just So you can close your eyes, at least readings you can recall. That is important. First step of the revision. Close your eyes. Just what topic you thought. You don't even know the to the problem. Okay, type 1 this, type 2 this, type 3 this, type 4 this, type 5 this. So when you telling type 5 something you thought nonsense like this, you can think recall. That is the first type of the revision. Once it is skeleton, if you know it's what okay, first you need only this much. Then go on revise. Start do. Automatically become master. First you can skeleton, you can think. Okay, first you need this. At least you should know. Whether you do or not, next step. First step that is. At least you know, okay, these topics are there. Miss enough. So all ingredient, if you know miss what, you can attack nicely. Lot of, I will send the book actually. I forget somewhere, I forget the book is there. Okay, come on. We start. What is time? Up to when we have class 10:35, huh? 9:45, 10:35. You should tell me 10:25. 10:30, 10:25, 26 you can tell and stop. Because you have to go there, you know. Come on. See, this fellow is CF also there, PI also there. Right, so some functions you can think PI, otherwise PI is equal to 0. Last class we done some problems. Correct? Now we will do, this is given in partial differentials actually. Direct check. Now we have to change in operator form. Operator form already you know, dou by dou is equal to D, dou by dou is equal to D dash. So this fellow become what, tell me? D square. 5 dd dash, correct? Plus into z. This is the, suppose if they given this step is well and good. If they are not given this, you can bring to this step. Penny Okay. Now, what I want to do? Don't wait for me to get CF1. Don't wait for me to get CF. Put what? D is equal to yeah, correct. D is equal to 1. M. Immediate 2 will come. One line you have to write. Implies what you will write? A is equal to 0. Always this story you have to write. If you put D is equal to M, D dash is equal to 1 means all the equation that equal to 0. That much of story is there. Then what you will get? Tell me. If you factorize, what you will get? Before that you have to write one line. Yeah, I forget it. Solution. Always you can write before starting the problem. Solution is Z is equal to CA plus PA. Correct? One line always you can mention. Because what you are doing, and after finally we can substitute there. Now where I am standing, M is equal to 2, 3. Now CF is what? Now, right side if we have any function, you can think for PI. So it's there. You have to do. Now who is PI? PI is equal to e to the power of x plus y. Only operator can break down. Who is by operator here. Minus or plus or? Now what you want to do? Put the x quotient, who is x quotient here? 1. Y quotient is what? If you want, you can write this is in the form of e power x plus b. Y put it is equal to a d dash for understanding. Otherwise, if you know, okay, x relative is what d, y relative is what d dash. So their relative form they are only reach. So put d is equal to what? Here both fellows are same, don't confuse. Your x quotient 1 by putting d is equal to 1. Suppose x plus 2y means what I will write d dash equal to what I will put 2. Like that. D dash is equal to 1. Then what I will get, tell me? 1 square minus 5 plus 6. 1, 2, 3. Now, complete done. By solution, here I can, whether you can here complete. You can try this problem. Take the top. Top is everyone. Not this side. Right. What pass? 2. Okay, board there is a stand in the dispenser. This side also. Okay. Take the top. Homogeneous means every term degree should be same. Maintain. Q means what everywhere 3 only. That means it is not homogeneous. It is not homogeneous linear differential equations. Don't talk please. Come on, go fast. So it's given in our application. Solution you can write again question. First one you write solution that is equal to CF plus PA. To get CF put it is equal to 1, D dash is equal to D is equal to 1 now. D is equal to 1 now. D is equal to what? I'm telling you 1. This will stop me. to m and d dash is equal to 1. So this fellow become what? M cube minus 3m square plus 4 is equal to 0. That is what? AB is equal to 0. Now degree third means what you have to break. How will break? First you can do method of induction. Put m equal to plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 where it is 0. Then go for synthetic division. You know or not? You have idea or not? Already matrices you have done, you know eigenvalues. So m is equal to 1 is satisfying us? No. M is equal to minus 1 satisfying, na? Minus 1. Yes. So m is equal to minus 1 if you put means what? This fella is what? 0. So from this what you understand? M is equal to minus 1 is 1 root. So this whole equation after write m plus 1 into something. M minus 1. That's m plus 1 into something. M is equal to minus 1 is a root. M plus 1 is a factor. Factor is different, root is different. Correct? So m is equal to minus 1 is what? Is 1 root. So how can I write actually? M plus 1 into something I can write. This something finding what I will do? Synthetic division. So minus 1 you can write. Right? M cube coefficient is what? Who is M cube coefficient? 1. M square coefficient? M coefficient? If not 0 you can write. Constant? 4. Always you can write 1 below 0. 1 below 0. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 1 into minus 1 is what? Minus 3 minus 1 is what? Minus 4 into minus 1 is what? 4. 0 plus 4? 4. 4 into minus 1? So, we have to get 0 if it is root means, factor means. Root means is that's called remainder theorem, factor theorem. Already 8th standard you studied or not, I don't know. Studied or not? So, this how can you write? This already 1 degree I pulled outside. So, how can you write? M plus 1. This is second degree. Already from third degree, 1 degree I pulled. So its remaining degree is what? Second degree. This how can I write? So here 2 is repeating twice. So carefully you have to write CF. You have to take 3 functions, no doubt. Phi 1, phi 2, phi 3. 3 roots means 3 functions. But such a way you can make this. Come on, pass. CF, tell me what is CF? If you want, write in next down 3-4 lines. You will understand some stories there. Because repeated, you know. Things we can write, but in exam don't write line. Anyway, you will understand some stories there. Now CF power. Then what I want to do? PA. What is my PA? X plus Q1? So degree 3 also you can able to do. Degree 4 also same thing. From 4 to bring 3, again induction, mathematical induction plus 1 minus 1, bring to second degree, then you can break. Okay. Second degree means I can able to do. Third degree means what? Bring to second. Fourth means what? Fourth to third. Same story. Plus 1 minus 1. One equation you get. Again taking that equation plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3. Somewhere I will get 0. x plus 2y divided by d3 bar.
D2 minus 3d square d dash plus 4d dash 2.
Now put d is equal to what?
1.
D dash
2.
2y. Then e power x plus 2y. What you get? This is 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 2 plus 4 into 2 cube. What is the answer? 6.
27.
Don't copy down, simply you are surprised, sir. 37 correct. You try. Now solution is what? Fill say. Okay, yeah. Now, 0 case. What is that? Sir, copy it, sir. Scan something like but that every chapter I scanned and I send the last semester first students. You can try it at home. Roots are minus 1, 1, 1, 1. Minus 1, 1, 1, 1. What are problems are there? Okay. Want to go? Okay. Next class when we are good party today. Tomorrow coming by 8 o'clock directly. 9 o'clock. You can trust you. I can trust you. 8 o'clock we will be 7:59. All of you inside. If I am there or not. 1 second late also you are not alone. And you don't come as well. You can come. You have to come and take class. After 7:59, so sorry, bye, don't come and stay. If people are dangerous, you wait 7:59. At 8 o'clock I don't come and stay. But better you should be at 7:59. Tomorrow we can complete 3, 4 minutes. 2 hours enough. Just if you start 2 hours enough. Other 2 types you can complete. When is exam? How many classes we have actually before 15? I can complete, I think, so syllabus. Otherwise, one day, any one of you, this start to whole chart, you can take scan in phone. And cam scan is there, anyone? Take it in detail. One day I will do this. Fully you can take. Chapter wise, there is better, I can have. See, With me is and syllabus can take what is there. Only people are available. No? Huh? How many classes are there before 15 we have? 2 or 3 classes we have minimum. 1 week fully is there, no? Day after 1 is there. Again 1 to 5. Another day after 1 is exam. So another 4 classes. 4 plus 2, 6 solid. Solidly we can come in. We can step into next unit also. Okay. Give at least 1. Hey, 1 student joined nicely. 1.
Present, sir.
2, 3, 4, 5. 4, who is 4? Every day absent here. 4, 5, 6,
Present, sir.
7. Online, 7.
Present, sir.
Okay. 8. 8 also there is. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14
Present,
are
sir.
there. 15 is there. I think everyone is there. 15.
Present, sir.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Sir, online students can confirm with your class in charge. Exam is only pen and paper. There is no online exam. You should come actually. Just you can confirm with your class in charge. Are you hearing me? Hello? Online students.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But you can inform me whatever maybe. Otherwise, at least you can put in group. Okay, you can leave, sir. Bye, sir.